And I was reflecting as you were walking through the introduction, that DIY is so terrifying.
It
And
is.
when clients come to us with DIY, or, they've just kind of like glommed some legal things together, we call it a rat's nest of legal issues that we have to
Oh,
unwind. And our experience tells us it costs about 3 times the amount to fix it that it would cost to just do it right the first time. Whereas when we get involved in the beginning and we can be proactive and we can be a partner to the entrepreneur that we're helping to build or scale their business, there is so much value that we bring. I mean, we get so excited to get to be that person that partners with them. I mean, that
yes.
just feels so much better for everyone. And it's just a better use of their capital, the client's capital.
Can you tell me a little bit
Yeah.
about that?
Yeah. Well, there always seems to come a time in the trajectory of a practice or a group practice or building out a DSO where there's excess net cash flow, and we have an owner or owner group that's looking to try to figure out what to do with it. And there are 100 market condition issues or opportunities that I'm not going to go into to decide if real estate is a good deal or not a good deal. But the thing that I really focus in on with our clients is there's a risk mitigation strategy here that's really very simple. And it is widely discussed, but surprisingly, we still have clients that come to us that haven't been told or don't understand or didn't proceed this way. And the very simple risk mitigation strategy is when you're buying real estate that your practice or a practice will operate in, you've got to put that real estate in a separate entity.